Hey guys, and welcome to this video. In this video I'm going to show you how to set a nickname in Instagram chat. If you find this guide useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So this is super useful to be able to do, as otherwise you're just going to see the name that they got and set, but you can go and customize it for you. First of all, open your Instagram app and head to your inbox just like so. Tap the home page and swipe across. Now you need to choose the person you want to set a nickname for. Then you need to go to the top and tap the conversation at the top, so you may say their name. Then come down and click onto nicknames. Tap there, and then I'll set a nickname for this person just like so. And finally press done. So that's it. That is how to set a nickname in Instagram chat. I really hope you found this video useful. If you could give us a like and subscribe, we would really appreciate it. Catch you guys in the next one.